In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a maiden name to your LinkedIn profile. This simple modification can enhance your visibility on the platform and make it easier for colleagues and friends from different stages of your life to reconnect with you. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll see the LinkedIn sign-in page. You have the option to log in using your Google account, Apple ID, or by simply entering your email address and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your login by sending a code to your phone. Just follow the instructions to complete the process and confirm your identity. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage. From here, the next step is to navigate to your profile. Simply click on your profile picture, which you'll find conveniently located in the top right corner of the screen. This action will open a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select View My Profile, which will lead you to your personal LinkedIn profile. This is the central hub for all your professional information. Now, we're going to make some edits. Look over to the left side of your profile banner, and you'll spot a pencil icon. Click it. This little icon is your gateway to the Edit Intro section of your profile. Once you click it, a pop-up window will appear, showing you various fields that you can update. Let's focus on the Additional Name field, which you'll find under the Basic Info section. This is where you can enter your maiden name. By adding your maiden name, you create a bridge for people from various phases of your life, like former classmates, colleagues, or even network connections, to find you more easily on LinkedIn. Once you've entered your maiden name, it's crucial to control who can see this information. To do this, click on the visibility icon right next to the Additional Name field. A small menu will appear, allowing you to choose the audience who can view your maiden name. You have a few options here. You can select only you, your connections, your network, or all LinkedIn members, depending on your privacy preferences. After making your visibility selection, take a moment to check that all the information is entered correctly and that you're satisfied with the visibility settings. Once you're ready, click a Save to apply the changes to your profile. Congratulations! Your maiden name is now successfully added to your LinkedIn profile and will be visible based on the criteria you've set. And just like that, you've learned how to add a maiden name to your LinkedIn profile in a few simple steps. Doing so can foster greater connectivity and ensure that your professional network can reach out to you easily. Thank you for watching, and happy networking!